creamy and silky smooth with a melt-in-your-mouth goodness. You often find these gliding up towards you on that eye-catching silver cart in your local dimsum restaurant. There couldn't be a more perfect finale than breaking a spoon through of some of life's simple pleasures. Mango pudding. Surprisingly simple and easy to make. Just about anyone can put this together. I've lost count how many times I've made this over the summer. Here's a much-loved recipe that's been tried and tested over and over again. A good mango to use is past ripe and soft to touch. They don't look the best, but they should give off a strong scent and might ooze some sap. It's the one ingredient that makes a huge difference. We need to cut up the mango and scoop the flesh out. You could also use a peeler to remove the skin, but I find past ripe mangoes to be too soft. It's much easier to cut and scoop like this. Then load the flesh into a blender and add some cold water. Blend until it becomes very smooth. Pour it into a strainer. This removes the fibers from the mango. This also gives the pudding that nice and silky texture. When you're done, add in the milk and cream. Then give it a good stir until it's all combined. Great, and just set aside. Next, we'll add the gelatin to room temperature water. Give it a gentle stir and we'll set it aside for a few minutes to bloom. Let's dice up the rest of the mango. After a few minutes, the gelatin is now ready. We'll need to heat this up to dissolve it further. We're setting up a hot water bath. You can also do this in a pot on a stove. Just don't bring it to a boil to avoid spoiling the gelatin. Once it's become more liquid, add in the sugar. Then give it a good stir to combine. Once all the granules have dissolved, it's ready to add to the mix. Let's combine it all in a big bowl. And give it a good stir. This will be the last time, so make it a good one. Add in some diced mangoes to each cup. It's nice to get some mango chunks in your pudding. Then pour in the mango mixture. It's good to give it a little space from the top of the glass for the milk that we'll add in later. Let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour to set. Now it's ready to serve. This is evaporated milk. It's much loved in Hong Kong. They often add it to milk teas and coffee. It's a great addition to mango pudding, just makes it that extra bit creamier. And just like that, we're done! Would you call it a sweet start to the weekend or a sweet end to the week? Thanks for watching my video and hope you find some sweet mangoes wherever you are.